Today I'm going to attempt to take off my transfer case shifter knob and replace it with this transfer case shifter knob that I got for Christmas. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I did some research online and found that there are several different ways that you could probably take this off. One of the ways, they suggested using a strap wrench. Well, I don't have a strap wrench, so they suggested maybe using a cloth like this and a pair of locking pliers. And you just wrap the cloth around the transfer case knob, and then you put the locking pliers on and you just turn it a little bit one way and a little bit another way. And then you're supposed to use some force to pull it off. Some of the guys that I saw on some videos, they used a flathead screwdriver, and you gently pry up the plastic knob and then pull it off. So the third way would be from the installation instructions from Drake Off-Road, which says to use force. So the tools that I'm going to need for that are my workout gloves. So let's give it a try. Is the counter going?
Yeah.
The counter's going? Yep. Okay. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to put on my weightlifting gloves. Okay, that's not working. It's supposed to pull just right off. Okay, so forget that. I used force and that didn't seem to work. So now I'm going to just pry a little bit. So we're going to try using force again. I'm probably just not strong enough. Okay. You think we need to wait for Daddy's muscle?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Okay, but it says if you put one foot here and one foot there and pull. But don't pull and hit yourself.
Ready?
Yep. Twist and pull.
I'm trying. I'll pull that part off.
Uh-oh. Now I'm not going to know how to put it into four-wheel low.
Why would you say that?
Because the top's off. What if we can't get that off?
It's just not fucking come off.
You're not supposed to swear.
Sorry.
You twist and pull.
Yes, I am.
Yes, dear! I'm doing it!
All right, I'm taking this back. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we finally got the transfer case shifter knob off, and it is way more difficult than they made it sound. So anyway, now the next thing to do is to remove the tire tread from the new transfer case shifter knob to get the screw out, so then we can put the shifter knob on the stick shift. Ugh. Now I have an Allen wrench to get the set screw out of the shifter knob. Okay, and this is my second take because, once again, I was doing righty-tighty instead of lefty-loosey to take this set screw out. So there you go, it's out. So now we're going to put it on, but I guess I should turn it this way, right? The set screw is in, and now we're just going to tighten it. So hopefully I'm tightening the screw instead of loosening it. Make sure it's straight. Okay, there you go. Finally, the last step, to put the tire treads back onto the transfer case shifter knob. And it just slides right on like that. And there you go. It's all done.